13 Central, put me out with a signal 4. 130 and Finnegan. I got it, buddy. I got it. Let's go.
10. Do you need another unit?
That's affirmative. Can you come out? Are you able to step out?
You want me to pull it out? Come on.
Anyone in the area, 130 and Finnegan? Pick up the 75 for the signal 4.
Get this door open, man. Get them out through here. Come on. Come on, guys. Fucking, how many guys here? Get them out.
Are you able to pull? Can you get
Don't worry about the fucking car. Get her out.
Oh, she's good. Get her. Be careful with her. Be careful.
232 Central, on City, 27.
Oh, shit.
213, Route 130 and Finnegan.
Try to pull up. Get away. There's a permanent fence in here, Deerbrook. Car's on fire.
You got it? Here you go.
Oh, it's a fire.
Is there anyone else inside?
I don't know, my house is right there. All I heard was that. There's nobody else in the car.
Everybody else.
The trailer hit your car.
Why is it always right here?
It was that trailer. It was a trailer right there.
Anybody see what happened?
130 and Finnegan Lane, by Deerbrook.
No, it's not right there. The little car.
I'll try it that way.
That ran the red light. I seen the trailer. It ran the red light.
Central, Bomi EMS as well.
She lost control when she saw the trailer.
Dude, whose car is that in the middle over there? You gotta move it. You gotta move it. Whose car is that over there?
Yo, we got
Whose car is that over there?
That's me.
Come on.
Get out of here.
He's bleeding. Yeah,
Okay. Te puedo contar. You stay down. Who saw? So who saw it? Anybody see it?
No way. Don't get in my house. That's my house right there. I was in the back. And
Do me a favor, man. Who you live over there?
my wife and kids.
Can you start calling them, tell them to get out?
Yeah.
And then tell her.
Yeah, you want me to go do it?
Yeah, and can you tell the neighbor? Tell the neighbor too to get out. No, and nobody here saw what happened?
I was just driving
Well, I
around.
heard everything that happened. I heard the car just going right into the tree.
I was just driving around. And I saw the car on fire. And I just stopped right there. And I see it. I'm no believe. The red light.
Okay.
Yeah.
You driving that truck?
Yeah.
Just wait inside the truck.
No, but I gotta go close. I'm going.
You gotta wait, dude. You gotta wait.
Yeah.
Too bad. You gotta wait. Just wait inside the truck.
Get out the house.
Señor, siéntate ahí. ¿Qué te sientes? ¿Qué tú sientes? ¿Ah?
¿Está bien?
¿Todo el pecho? ¿Puedes respirar?
Ambulancia, ven ahora.
¿Puedes respirar bien por lo menos? Ya yo tengo ambulancia, ¿ok? They're gonna get your family, all right?
No, yeah, my family got out the house.
Okay.
Just called them.
All right, can you just tell them to get the neighbor out as well?
All right. Yo, can you call her and just tell her to get the neighbors out, please? No,
Dude, instead of recording it, dude,
Eso.
hey, do me a favor. Instead of recording, start calling people, man, all right?
No te preocupes, gracias a Dios que ustedes están aquí. Eso es nada, eso es cosa que...
How long was that car there before? Because I
What happened, I heard, boom.
Yeah, 'cause I
10
saw
seconds, I just
whoever
started running.
parked, and then I see this car here.
All I heard it happen, and I just knew it. I just started running right through here, came around, and I seen them, and I just started trying to get everybody out the car. I opened the car, getting everybody out. Ooh.
Central 65 2 tanks.
It's always right here.
Whiskey 47 Foxtrot Papa Yankee. Whiskey 47 Foxtrot Papa
It's
Yankee.
always here, this accident. It was just here a month ago, same one.
Give me 1 quick second. Vehicle 2 is going to be Alpha Tango 754 Tango. Alpha Tango 754 Tango. Do this. Just move over here.
Need any hook?
Just one for vehicle 1. ¿Está bien, señora? ¿Ah? Llévate en la ambulancia, ¿ok? Y solo el brazo, right? ¿Solo te duele el brazo? El pecho? Ok. Yeah. We gotta pull her out.
Are you okay? What's your name? Give us a
Huh?
Yeah, why you have to know? What?
I need your documents. Go grab me your documents. Hey Billy, can you grab his documents?
Nothing to do with the
I still need it though. Alright? I still need it.
Yeah,
Because I gotta figure out what her story is. So once I figure out her story.
Nothing to do with the accident.
Okay.
You know, because I see the accident, that's why I'm
Ok. Señora, ¿tú puedes hablar conmigo? ¿Tú sabes qué pasó?
Yo venía, ¿sabes? Cuando viene un poco rápido y la luz amarilla, no te da tiempo a frenar. Yo lo quise fue que acelere. Y vino un trailer y se me atravesó.
Ok, ¿cuál? So, estamos cruzando enfrente de ti, como para acá.
Ajá.
And then tú ibas directamente para acá.
Sí.
So, ¿tú chocaste el carro o no?
Yo
Ok, pero esta guagua que está aquí, esta camioneta, no lo viste, right? Okay. Did you see anything happen? I guess she said she was going this way.
No.
And that there was a car coming.
Yeah,
Probably.
right there.
Which car?
The Dodge.
The Dodge over there?
Yeah.
Hey, do me a favor, man. Can you go grab that Dodge's information?
Nothing to do. I just
Okay.
saw it. Nothing to do.
So, she was going straight.
No, she was on the same way, southbound.
Yes.
Southbound.
And then what happened?
And the light was red. The light was red. So I wasn't light. And we got the pass.
That Dodge Charger in that block. You got it?
The Dodge was red. Crossing it.
Okay. Let me just grab your phone number, then you can go, all right?
Campbell's already got it.
All right.
He's walking across with it now.
All right, thank you, buddy. You're good, all right? Thank you. Yeah.
I just stopped to help y'all real quick, and I saw the accident.
Yeah, you're good too, man. Don't worry about it. Thank you for your help, man. All right. Oh, yeah.
This is the Charger. She was at the light, and the tractor trailer barreled through first, because she had the green light, and she's getting ready to go across. And then this van was behind the tractor trailer. They both barreled through. That bounced off the front of her car, which is why her plate was left in the middle of the intersection.
Okay.
And this is all her stuff here. She's not injured or anything.
Did it hit her car at all, the Charger?
Yeah.
Where, at the end?
No, that hit. What's going on with her?
She's just chest pains. We had to pull her out of the car, yeah. And then she's got arm pain.
Back or neck pain, anything like
Yeah,
that?
we had to rip her out of the car.
Yeah, it needs split open. Yeah.
Good job getting her out of the car, bro.
We gotta thank whoever helped him. There was a couple guys helping me. Hey, thank you, man.
No, not a problem. Blood it up. Sorry, man.
everything.
All right.
You guys don't have any water, nothing to clean my hands over?
I'll get you something to clean. Ambulance is coming out. I'll have them clean you up, all right?
Yeah. So this here bounced off her car.
Jump bag in here?
Huh?
EMS bag. You got an EMS bag in
Yeah.
You need anything?
Can you grab an EMS bag out of the car?
Yeah.
The red bag, yeah. Just give me a second, Camo, and I'll grab everything from you. Right? Yeah, we already have somebody coming here. Do it first, señor. Just do it first. Espera para allá. Espera para allá.
Pero esas son las dos cosas que duelen los más. Mira, no te mandan ningún pasaje, están diciendo que no te mandan cuello para nada, por favor, que ahora no para quédate así mismito, que ya me van a estar.
None. I was going down, and then next thing you know, I see a car stop and runs across over here, and as I'm going around, the car starts getting on fire. And
They get off the road or something?
I don't. Camo's got the story. Yeah.
It's just a one gloves?
Gloves? You want to grab gloves? You got EMS right behind you.
Ambulancia está ahí mismito. See if they need any help.
No, ya olvídate de eso, quizás está quemado. Después, cuando terminan, yo lo chequeo, ¿ok? Señora, si puede escribir, ¿qué es su primer nombre? ¿Qué es el fecha de nacimiento?
Hey, español?
Do you know her information? Do you know her information? Do you know her information? How you spell it? ¿Cómo lo escribe? ¿De qué termina primero? ¿De qué termina? ¿De qué termina? Can you write her name down? Her name? Do you know her? Just write it down, her first name, last name, and date of birth. Dale un permisito, señora.
We're gonna get the backboard and use a hand on She's holding it on her legs.
I don't even know because I was right here and I just doubled back around. I saw the car on fire and both of them were inside. You got it for me?
I don't need to give the phone.
Aresti Reyes y fecha de nacimiento, tú lo sabes.
La fecha de nacimiento era abril, 1 de abril.
¿Y el año?
El año
82?
1982.
I'm gonna go off, is that alright?